Our leaders who are making noise in Abuja, they do a lot of things that are not reported in the media about the North. Let me tell you, even immediately, the problem that Mr. President should note, even in the North, that are not...
Ilé lóko níbikíbi tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi. Ẹ kú ọ̀rọ̀ ìlú o. Tí a bá ń sọ pé ìlú Nàìjíríà ti kú kò lè gbérí mọ́, ẹ máa bi wá léèrè àwọn àṣírí pọ̀, àṣírí kọ̀kọ̀, a lot of secret ó ń bẹ nínú Nàìjíríà tí Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ máa ti àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan kan máa sọ síta. Ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn alálẹ̀ á máa gbé inú àwọn èèyàn kan á máa tì wọ́n síta kan sọ àwọn àṣírí wọ̀nyí síta. Ara àwọn àṣírí kan ni mo gbé wá lénìí tí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wá gbọ́. Díẹ̀ lẹ gbọ́ ní beginning yẹn, máa fẹ́ kẹ́ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ gbọ́ dáadáa. Àṣírí ń bẹ nínú Nàìjíríà, àṣírí ìkọ̀kọ̀ tí ò lè jẹ́ kí ìlú yẹn gbérí. Ó ti pẹ́ tán ti ń pa Kìrìsìtẹ́nì, gbogbo wa ló mọ̀. Ìyàlẹ́nu ló jẹ́ lórí ẹnujọ́ mẹ́ta àwọn èèyàn sọ oríṣiríṣi pé kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀, pé wọ́n ń pa mùsùlùmí. Wọ́n ń fọgbọ́n sí ni, wọ́n fẹ́ kó show kó wà obvious. Òun náà fi ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n fẹ́ gbalẹ̀ wà ní a ti ń sọ fún yín, ẹ jára yín. Ẹni tó bá bà ló mọ̀ o, ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mi. Ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí Prince Ọ̀jájú ni ẹgbọ́n tó wí. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń sọ pé kí ìjọba Amẹ́ríkà máa wà. Tí wọ́n bá ti jí ẹgbẹ́ rí, tí wọ́n bá ti jí mọ̀lẹ́bí ẹgbẹ́ rí, ò ní bá wọn sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ò ní bá wọn sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Tí wọ́n bá ti jíyàn gbére tó san ransom tó sanwó, irú Prince Ọ̀jájú ni tí wọ́n gbàgbé búlẹ́ẹ̀tì méjì sí díẹ̀ fún some weeks tó sọ ẹgbẹ̀lẹ́gbẹ̀ owó ló sọ. Ìjẹ́ ó lè máa bá wọn wí bẹ́ẹ̀. Agbègbè tí wọ́n ti jí Prince Ọ̀jájú ni gbé lánàá ilẹ̀ yìí wọ́n ṣọṣẹ́ ń bẹ̀. Lénìí wọ́n ti ṣọṣẹ́ ń bẹ̀. Between Àyèrètò Ìkàbà, between Àyèrètò Òkéné, torí ibi tá à ń sọ junction ni. The junction, express lọ sí Ìkàbà, the other road lọ sí Òkéné. Ó ti pẹ́ tí wọ́n ti ń ṣọṣẹ́ ń bẹ̀. Agbègbè táwa tán bí àwa sí ni. Ó ti pẹ́ tí nǹkan before ọ̀rọ̀ kidnapper ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti ń jalè lọ́nà yẹn. Ó ti pẹ́ gan. Àwọn ìjọba Kogi, àwọn ló ní gbogbo territory tá à ń sọ ẹ̀, wọn ò rí nǹkan ṣe sí. Nígbà tí Ondo State government tọ́lẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe ọ̀nà àjọwádé ibi tí boundary àwa pẹ̀lú Kogi State dé lọ́nà Àyèrè. Wọ́n kọ lẹ́tà, mo rántí gba local government chairman ward 5 Àkókò North West. Mo pè wọ́n gbà wọ́n náà kọ lẹ́tà sí Kogi State governor. Wọ́n kọ wọn ṣọ̀nà Yaya Bello. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo fídíò wọn.
Do a lot of things that are not reported in the media about the North. Let me tell you, even immediately, the problem that Mr. President should note, even in the North, that are not in the media at all. There is a local government in Bauchi State that is Christian dominated. They call it Tafawa Balewa local government.
Okay.
You know that under Issa Yuguda as governor, he should hear this.
Okay.
They unilaterally relocated the headquarters of local government listed in the constitution to Bununu. From Tafawa Balewa to Bununu. And the only Christian member of the House of Assembly in that place, only Christian member, a female Christian member of the House of Assembly was suspended for criticizing that illegal relocation by the State Assembly. She was suspended, and that was barely a year after the inauguration of the session of their State Assembly. They suspended her till the end of that session for 3 years.
Wow.
Do you know that what you will not read in the media was that they took the case to court. The State High Court sided with the state government against the Constitution. The State High Court.
Wow.
It was only on 30th September 2025. We will not read it in the media. 30th September 2025, barely 2.5 months ago. that the Court of Appeal in Jos quashed that decision of the High Court and the Assembly, and they cited an example in Ekiti State that no individual, no institution has the right to relocate
the headquarters
of a local government as it is listed in the Constitution.
But why did Governor Yuguda, why did he do that?
He did that one because that is what they do to Christian-dominated areas.
So they removed the local government headquarters from a Christian-dominated place
to a Muslim-dominated area. So you also have state terror to fight. Our leaders who are making noise in Abuja, they do a lot of things that are not reported in the media about the North. Have we seen it in the North that it is quite impossible? Last year, I met a girl from Gwoza local government in Borno State, who obtained 277 in a
JAM.
Yes, in UTME, and was trying to obtain certificate of citizenship from liaison office of Borno State in Abuja here. And could not, they told her to go to, because she is originally from Gwoza, is from an IDP camp. She only managed to get that mark. Was not admitted at the University of Abuja here, I am telling you.
Wow.
But while trying to secure admission to read law at the University of Abuja, she went to Borno State Liaison Office in Abuja here to obtain...
she's an indigene of Borno State.
They told her to go back to Gwoza to obtain the certificate, but they were giving the same certificate to Muslims from Borno State in the same office before her very eyes.
Wow.
A police officer got there and said, this is how I have to use another Muslim person to obtain a certificate for me in this office, a serving police officer, female serving police officer that I met. So there are so many issues. Most of the children of Christians from this northern state, this is a very complex issue.
It is.
Very complex issue. Most of these children of Christians from so many northern states cannot get admission to read medicine, law, or these computer science engineering courses, even if their parents, I have so many of them as friends, even if their parents are professors in certain universities, they changed one from medicine to Christian religious knowledge. Arbitrarily, these things are not in the media. We deny this reality in the media about what Christians in the North have been suffering.
Look at your water.
Yeah, good morning, Nigerians, and good morning, everyone, and good afternoon, good evening, irrespective of everywhere you are watching me for at this hour. Yes, a lot has been going on in the last 1 week in this country, and the presidency has not come out to make a clarification, particularly the President Commander in Chief Armed Forces of Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFRO, a permanent Yoruba man. I wouldn't want to take much of our time this morning, but I'm not doing live. I'm doing live. No, I'm not doing recording. I'm doing live video so that some people can listen to it. Those who may not be here when I do this live video can listen to later in the day and see my reason why what the President of the United States of America, Donald Trump, said about Nigerians, about the terrorism, about the people who are terrorizing this country in the last 20 years, that the President or Nigerian military are faced to conquer. Once again, my name is Prince Enola Ojajuni Joseph Enijore, the National President of Afenifere Youth Council, a victim of Fulani X-Men, a victim of bandit, and a victim of terrorism in this country, a victim of Boko Haram, that spent 12 days in the hands of Boko Haram, hands of terrorism, Fulani X-Men, bandit. And what I encounter in the hands of those people make me to understand that Nigeria is not one country, and we can never be one country in Jesus' name. So help me God, just as America said. It just baffles me and make me look as if have we lost our, oh my dear brother Bishop, good morning, how is Akure today? Make me to realize that have we as a nation, as a human people, have we lost our dignity? Bishop, good morning, God bless you. As a people, have we lost our dignity? As a nation, have we lost the dignity of a nationhood? Have we lost the dignity of the fear of God? Have we lost the dignity of humanity? Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, where is your conscience, Mr. President? Why is it that some sons and daughters of Southwest are against Mr. President to invade some part of the northern land that they tell the Fulani bandit or so-called terrorists are terrorizing the people, killing people? I don't understand. There was a woman called, I don't even remember his name. He's an Islamic leader in northern part of this country, advocating for amnesty, advocating that the president of that the Nigerian government should have a dialogue with bandits who are killing people. I want to ask Nigeria this question: if it was Yoruba man that is having meeting with criminals, I can assure you that today that the DSS, the Nigerian police, would have come after that Yoruba man. Just a few days ago, Lagos State Police Command, who lack the knowledge of the law, declared Soro wanted man. Lagos State Police Command Jimo, Jimo yẹn border because Bobo ni o go. How can you come on here to declare Soro wanted? Why your so-called IG cannot declare bandit in Benue State? Bandits that are killing people in Benue State, killing Nigerians everywhere. I am a victim of bandit. I am a victim of Fulani herdsmen. My family pay ransom. I sustained three bullet injury as a result of bandit and wicked Fulani herdsmen. I hate Fulani with passion. I hate the Northern with passion. I hate them with passion, with the soul and the spirit of God. I hate the Northern people in this country. The Northern people of this country are the ones supporting bandit Boko Haram to fight against Jonathan government so that they can take over the country. May Soro Buhari never rest in peace. Buhari, your soul will never rest in peace in Jesus' name, because you are the one that brought these people to Nigeria to win a nation for you. Today, they make Nigeria in governance for us. The Northern people are the one making this country not to move forward. Northern Nigeria, God punish all of you. Go to hell. We don't need you in this country. The Northern leader in the country, go. We don't need you. Let Biafra go. Let Yoruba go. For how long we continue this autocracy of the highest order? The DSS are there looking at them. Somebody is busy having meeting with the bandits in the northern part after him. The Nigerian army have not done so. For how long? For how long? For how long we continue this nonsense in this country? For how long? To hell with all the useless leaders in the northern part of this country. We are not one Nigeria. We are not one Nigerians. We are not one Nigerians. The northern part of this country are the reason why Nigeria has not developed. They are the reason why Nigerians are not moving forward. President Tinubu say something. The America has not come to invade Nigeria. They are not coming to destroy Nigeria. They are coming to destroy the camps of these Fulani, these terrorism groups. And we, the Southwest leader, are in support of this. To hell with all the Fulani herdsmen in this country. Are you the only one trapped in this country full of years, man? May I kill all of you in Jesus' name. May Ogun kill all the Fulani men who are destroying the peace of this country. May Ogun kill all the Fulani men who are terrorizing this country. If Fulani men or the northern part of this country are the one that have the highest, Nigeria will have break today. You live on my resources, on the shores of Southwest. The northern part of this country, you live on our resources. The northern part of this country, you live on the resources of the Southwest and the South. For how long we continue on this autocracy in this country? To hell with all the Fulani in this country. May God punish all of you in Jesus' name. If it is your Obama that is killing people in this country, the DSS will go after him. The police will go after him. The army will go after him. They kawe lo ni buruku yan kawe law school. Amajari law school. We are not one Nigeria. That is just the fault of it. We are not one Nigeria. Let the Fulani go. We don't want you in this country again. Donald Trump, come and invade the northern part of this country. Destroy their camp. That's what we want. Destroy their camp. Mentally, I'm not fine because I faced 12 days in the hands of the Fulani men. Torture me in this country. Torture me. Torture the hell out of me. All the Yorubas who are supporting these Fulani men, all the Yorubas and sons and daughters, all of you know escape the judgment of God. The Bible says when the righteous on the throne, the people rejoice. But then when the wicked on the throne, the people are empty. That is what we have in this country. I don't blame them. I blame Mr. President Tinubu who make Shetima the head of Boko Haram, the vice president. I blame Mr. President Tinubu who make Shetima the leaders of Boko Haram. Northern part of this country is not by force. We live together as a Nigeria. Go! Release Nnamdi Kanu. Let Nigeria go separate way. Me, your judge unit, I'm from Olori Republic. Let us go separately. Let us go. We are not one Nigeria. Donald Trump make a threat. He's going to invade the northern part of this country where the Fulani herdsmen destroy people, where the herdsmen are destroyed. You guys are bragging. God will punish that useless Islamic leader who are supporting terrorism, asking Nigerian leaders to negotiate with them. He keep on having meeting with them, and Nigerian government failed to arrest him. Nigerian leader failed to arrest him. Why are you fighting us? What is your resources? What is your contribution to this country? What do you have? We don't want your cow. Go to hell with your cow, with your onions. We have enough fish to eat. I grew up to become eating fish as a German. I don't eat cow. My parents don't eat cow. We don't eat goat meat. Go to hell. May Nigeria never work in Jesus' name. May this nation never work in Jesus' name, because I don't believe in Nigeria again. Let us go a separate way. Let us have a national youth council. Let us have a national council. Let discuss our unities. If we cannot live together, let us go separate way. I don't blame them. I blame Mr. President, the former president, commander-in-chief of officers, Jonathan. Jonathan spent millions of naira to organize confab. He failed to implement the confab. If Jonathan have implemented the confab today, Nigeria will be a peaceful country today. I don't blame Jonathan about this country. I blame the so-called Jonathan. If Jonathan have implemented Nigerians, let's come together as a unity country. Yorubas, Igbos, let's come together. I'm calling on Neze, the Yorubas and the Igbos. Let's unite against the Fulanis, against the northern part of this country. We are not one Nigeria. Nigeria is not working for us. Let us go a separate way. When I was kidnapped, they will say they want to kill me. They are going to kill us. And when they want to kill us, they will say, Allah Akbar. Allah Akbar. Which God has supported killing of human being? Without any sin? What is our sin? I'm asking those northern leaders. What is our sin? If this country cannot work, let us go separate way, for God's sake. We are not a nation. This country cannot work. Nigeria cannot work. If the northern part of this country want this country to work, the next thing you have to do, you need to adopt and accept the resolution of the United States of America to come and invade the Fulani and terrorist camp and the north. In Kwara State, they are killing people every day. Yesterday in Oodo, there was told that Fulani attacked a little community, unleashed people, on dragon on people. We are not one Nigeria. Let us go separate way. Why is Nigeria against United States of America? The America said they are coming to fight the terrorism. It should be a thing of dread for Nigeria. Let me put it here. I'm a Yoruba man. Yoruba nation, Afenifere. We are not one Nigeria. One Nigeria cannot work for us. It can't work for us. One Nigeria cannot work for us. One Nigeria cannot work for us. We are tired, my brother. We are not a nation. We should go a separate way. Northern part of this country are the reason why Nigeria have not developed. I'm just surprised the security agency have been biased here. If it is Yoruba man that is granting interview today that you should discuss with these people, the DSS will have come after that Yoruba man. If it is a Yoruba man, look at the way, if it is a Yoruba man, eti Yahweh in Fulani, eti Shiwi, this country did not belong to you. God bless you, my dear sister. Pray against this country. We are not one Nigeria. I pray may Nigeria never happen to Nigeria happen to me in a bad way. We are not one nation. We should go a separate way. America want to help you. To eradicate these people, we are complaining. America want to help you. To destroy you, we are complaining. Why are you complaining? In this country, a Christian daughter, Deborah, was struck to death. In another part of this country, in Edo State come against Fulani Express. Useless governor, that Momo governor went to Nigeria, go and be begging them. If they bomb Fulani anywhere, come and there, when my India and their state here. If I don't kill, now come bastard. Let this come and arrest me for this broadcasting. Nigeria police, you know how to declare me wanted. Declare me wanted now. They say happen on those states. You are buying the Fulani men, collecting money from them. Do all kinds of stupid with the Fulani men. Don't go here and kure and tell the country go swaju. If you can't even walk, the country cannot work. This country, it will never work in Jesus' name because we are not one Nigeria. Let us go. Let Biafra go. Biafra continue advocating. Thank God, the chairman of the NATO said, Mr. President, United Nations, UN shall allow Biafra to go. If Biafra is going, Yoruba is going. Oh, Dua Nation is stand. Fulani, go and be eating your cow. Fulani, Eloma General will danger. Are you the only trap in this country? Fulani, Sokoto, Fulani, Bauchi, Fulani, Gombe, Fulani, Oyo, Fulani, Ekiti, Fulani, Lagos, Fulani, Yola, Fulani, Nasarawa, Fulani, Abuja. Are you the only one? Fulani, God punish you. Fulani, are you the only one in this country? Go to hell. We don't need you in this country. Go. Gbogbo ẹyẹ wọn Yorùbá ẹmọ ẹ káàrọ̀ jíire tí ẹ wà lẹ́yìn wọn máa jí ń gbé wọn máa pa ní lórúkọ Jésù. All the sons and daughters of Yorùbá who are supporting these people because of your political interest. May Fulani, the same Fulani, kill your children in Jesus' name. It has happened to us. It has happened to me. If you know what I passed through in 12 days, you will be supporting these people. For 12 days, I was subjected to beating, torturing. Ìbọn méjì, 3 bullets was my young. 3 bullets, ìbọn mẹ́ta, needed me for 12 days. The day I saw my wife in the below, my wife looked at me as if I'm an animal. God go punish all you people supporting Fulani herdsmen. America come, we're waiting for you. Go and destroy every part of the northern part of the country supporting Fulani herdsmen. America come. Government have failed us. Our government have failed us. Nigeria government have failed us. Hypocrite.
ẹ̀yin ènìyàn ẹ ṣeun gan. ẹ̀yin náà ẹ ti rí ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀, ẹ gbọ́ ohun tí bàbá yẹn wí, ẹ gbọ́ bó ṣe ń lé fùkú, ẹ gbọ́ àwọn àṣírí tó ń tú síta. àìmọye àṣírí bẹ́ẹ̀ tó wà, àwọn ẹ̀rí máa jẹ́ o. ìjẹ́ irú Prince Ọ̀jájú ni tẹ́ ń gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹ̀, ìjó lè máa bá yín sọ fún yín pé kí ààrẹ Donald Trump kó má wá sí Nàìjíríà, kò ní bá yín sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ nítorí ohun tójú ẹ̀ rí, ó ti experience ẹ̀. He wants a victim. He wants a victim. Ó ti gbálé gbàtà gbogbo owó tó ní sílẹ̀, wọ́n ti yáwó, ó lè tì náà, wọ́n sì lè máa san gbèsè. Ẹ̀gbọ́n tó ń wí lẹ́nu ń pariwo Yorùbá nation ni. Nítorí ó ti lọ sàn, ó ti tọ̀ ń bọ̀. Ìwọ tó wá jókòó síbi kan tó ń pariwo pé nǹkan tá bá bẹ̀ jáde kíní kọ̀ọ̀kẹ́. Anything tó bá fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ kó ṣẹlẹ̀. Ohun tá àwa máa tẹ̀ mẹ́nu nìyẹn. Ohun tó bá fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ kó ṣẹlẹ̀. Àwọn èèyàn ń kú lójoojúmọ́, ṣé ohun tó dùn mọ́ ẹ nínú ni? Ṣé ohun tó dùn mọ́ ẹ nínú ni? Ẹ jẹ́ ohun tó bá fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ kúkú ṣẹlẹ̀, ká mọ̀ bí tá à ń lọ gan, bó ṣe rí gẹ́lẹ́ nìyẹn. Ká mọ̀ bí tá à ń lọ, ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mi. Èyí tí mo ti gbé wá fún wa nìyẹn o, ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ wò ó. Ẹ wò ó, ẹ bá wa share o, mo kí yín o, ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa. Mo kí ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa o, ẹ kú bó ṣe ń lọ. Ẹ̀rí orí ayélujára, ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀rọ̀ jọ ẹ̀sìn pèsè jẹ́ lóríṣiríṣi. Wọ́n fẹ́ lọ bá wa fẹ́ ṣàwọn ọ̀daràn wọ̀nyí nínú north. Ẹ sọ pé kán máa wà. Wẹ́ Donald Trump ti sọ ẹ tó fẹ́ sọ. Alágẹmọ ti jíjú ọmọ ẹ̀. Àìmọ́ jókù sọ́wọ́ alágẹmọ. Bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn. Èmi ọmọ yín ni o. Àkàlàmàgbò. Thank you.